Hey guys, I'm doing an oil change at the quad and putting new spark plugs in it. First thing I gotta do is change the spark plug. This is where the spark plug is. Once we got this, stick that on there. Got it.
Oh, yeah, that one's not looking too lovely, is it?
Yeah, it looks terrible.
And then you got the new one out?
Yeah.
Where'd you put it?
In here.
Okay, so pull that off. Don't touch the end of it, and then you can screw that one in it. And then if you want to grab the wrench and then flick the little thing the opposite way.
I know.
And then don't do it super tight, just do it till you feel like it's good, because you don't want to over tighten it.
You guys think it's good?
Mm-hmm. Can I feel for a second?
Yeah.
Just to double check. That should be good. And then do you want to pop the cover back on? And now what are we going to do?
Now we're gonna change the oil.
All right, so what do we have to put underneath?
We're gonna have to grab this top, as you see right here, where the oil goes in. Put it in the oil. Yeah.
And the dipstick, can you pull that out?
This one?
Yeah. And then you can put that on the rag if you'd like. Okay. Now, we might just be able to use our hand actually. Oh, there we go.
It's hot.
That is some muddy looking oil.
Yeah, I know they're rotten. How did you get it so easily?
Because I just saw it resting there.
Now we gotta put the funnel in.
Okay.
Just stick it in the oil hole.
Yep. Now we have to do a slow pour because it's at an awkward angle, okay? Because if you pour too much at once, it's not going to work.
It's gonna
Here, I'll hold it.
overflow.
I'll hold it up like this. Look at the difference of liquid, hey?
Yeah.
Good job. And then put that aside. Maybe put it on the cardboard, yeah. And then put the cap on. There's a rag there for your hands if you want to wipe them off. And then do you want to check with the dipstick? Which is right over here. So you let me know how it looks, okay?
Perfect.
Is it perfect? Right on the line there? Yeah, we got it right at the full line, right there.
Yep.
So we'll put that back in.
Let's do another kind of oil now.
Yeah. And remember what the name of the next oil is that we're changing?
No.
The
Oil.
transmission.
Transmission oil.
That is, we're gonna fill it up in this plug right here.
Yes.
But we need to take out the bottom plug, which is right
Start emptying that oil
there.
now?
So first we need to take out that little plug here. Do you want to untwist it? Good job. And then we are going to get this oil pan back under there.
It's very, why is it very not good?
Because that means there's nothing in the transmission, which is not good for the machine.
Oh, there is. Oh, ew. So, looks clean, Dad. Ew, what's
Yeah,
next?
it actually doesn't look too bad, does it?
Yeah, well, I was putting the oil.
Honestly, I don't know what it's supposed to look like anyways, but it's definitely cleaner than the other oil. Can you pass me the rag, please? All right, now put your fingers in there and grab it out so we don't drop it in the bottle. Good job. All right, so we need a cup and a half. So just because it's super full,
You're going to do it?
well, so a cup,
Yeah.
so you can slowly, I have an idea actually.
Just recycling.
Actually, I don't know what Grandpa, how he recycles those.
He recycles them?
I don't know how he does. All right.
Maybe start. We're also doing a little quad that we have here. It's not a big racing one like that one though.
All right, so what do we have to do?
Is it hot?
No, you're good.
So now we got this little one. I'll pull it out.
Yeah.
Then we gotta grab this. Stick it on there.
That one looks worse than the other one, doesn't it?
This one, yeah. Oh, it is too.
Oh my goodness.
That is disgusting. Let's go back. Got a new one.
Show the difference between the two. Hold them up to each other.
See this one, this is the one's the old one, and this one is the new one. Look how much fresher it is. This one's black top, rust and nasty. That one's junk.
I just don't want to over tighten.
I want to do it.
Okay, just a little over there. There. All right, and then put the plug back on.
The little one. Got to check its oil.
Yep, take that out, and here, let me come in there, and then I can take out the bolt, okay?
First,
And how's the back one? Can you push it in more, please?
there.
The back one?
Oh,
Perfect.
can that tree be used for a tractor? Does the tractor have even more oil in it in the car?
Did the tractor have more oil in it?
Yeah, in the car.
Yep.
I gotta go. That was my glove. Pull on yours.
Hold on.
That's
My glove's all dirty.
Well, you don't need to use. You need to use the same one.
That oil, I hate the smell of that. think so.
Yeah, he's in the corner.
I think this should be a better angle to pour it at. What do you think?
Yeah, sideways instead of the dumping thing. If you enjoyed watching my video, thanks for watching. See you next time.